great idea of somewhere to come, this in the north, for a half-day hike. Not too busy, tucked away, a little bit of everything. So there's Roseberry Topping on the far side, the south side, and there's a ring of hills, the Cleveland Hills. In the distance there you can see Captain Cook's monument, and that's where we're going. A lovely valley this. I'm going to show you a 6-mile round walk to Cook's monument. A little hidden gem. I'm sure there is serious climate change going on, but when you have a look at the trees here, you know, 10 miles south of Teesside, which has had its industry for the last 100 years or so, the trees don't seem to be complaining, do they? So these are the best colours we've had for years. I'm just taking a shortcut around the bottom of Roseberry Topping, which I have climbed before. There is a video about it on my channel, but I'm going round the bottom today, behind it to a hidden valley, beautiful valley, and we're going to make our way to Captain Cook's monument. Just while we're in the middle of a climate catastrophe, I just thought I'd point out the colours at the bottom of, in the foothills of Roseberry Topping. These autumn colours, you know, 100 years of industrial output at Teesside, and the trees have possibly got the best colours they've ever had. Most puzzling. So here we are on the south side of Roseberry Topping. What a lovely valley that is, look. It's the Cleveland Hills. And we're walking around this little ring on the east side to Cook's monument. Just on this climate catastrophe, you know, I don't want to go on about it, but have you noticed how this year the autumn colours we've had have been the best we've had? And I'm here now in Cleveland, you know, not far from Teesside, which, let's face it, does pollute. I couldn't ask for more oxygen, and there's a lovely chill in the air, so, you know, it makes you think. And this is the view you get if you make the effort to come over the top of Roseberry Topping and keep going. You've got the whole Cleveland Valley, very flat, a ring of hills, the Cleveland Hills. The highest, I think, is about 490 metres, so half the height of Scarfell Pike. And you work yourself around this ring of hills here, this ridge, to the monument. So this is the area of Captain James Cook. He was born in Martin, Cleveland. He lived just down underneath Roseberry Topping, I think, in Great Ayton, I believe. He died at 50, stabbed by some chief in Hawaii. This is ancient stone under here, dating back to the Jurassic, and and obviously the Ice Age left it like this. Old populations, Neolithic, prehistoric, they've found flints, arrowheads from the Bronze Age. There's stone circles in this area. He was 50 when he died, Captain Cook. Not very old. Stabbed to death in Hawaii by some angry chief. I think the chief had stolen from him, so he went to steal whatever it was back, and he got stabbed and died. But before that, he was renowned for discovering Newfoundland. I think he bumped into Australia. It's the Captain Cook, Captain James Cook. The area, really, the formation of the land was around the Jurassic period, and the Ice Age formed the valleys and the peaks. The hills, the Cleveland Hills themselves, are the highest one is just under 500 meters, which, you know, is about half the height of the highest peaks in the Lake District, but still a good climb. We're actually in this is all North Yorkshire. This Roseberry Topping is the border between Teesside, Cleveland, Teesside, and North Yorkshire. Very historic area, this. You know, prehistoric settlements, stone circles, flint arrows they've found. Well, we're in luck today because the moors seem to be on fire, which is casting a lovely scent across the whole area. There's the monument just behind those trees. Lucky with the weather today, the lighting is creating some nice effects. And this area really was prominent for mines, you know, alum for aluminium, jet, black, the pure black stone jet, for hundreds of years. So this path just continues down here with the wall on the right. We're coming down from the ridge now, and we're going to head into this little forest. There's another big car park there. Then you walk up towards the monument on the hill, on the peak there. You know, sometimes when you're endlessly trudging uphill, you feel a bit like the characters from The Lord of the Rings. Walking and walking, up and down over crags and moors and hills. Amazes me what a lovely huge flat plain Teesside and Cleveland is, ringed by these hills, the Cleveland Hills. around looking, stretching right across into the North York moors. This whole area is North Yorkshire. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. This is a great place to come for a half-day hike, some exercise, amazing views, the whole of Cleveland, ringed by the Cleveland Hills. So please like, subscribe, and I'll get some more done, some more adventures over the winter.